get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. What do I fall?